Good evening. I'm Karuna Zathur, a HR professional. Today, I'm focusing on emotional intelligence from both the aspect. From student point of view, what is the importance of emotional intelligence, and from teacher's point of view, what is the importance of emotional intelligence. Before to start with, let me discuss about what exactly mean by emotional intelligence. Now, emotional intelligence is very simple terms. To discuss that, this is we can discuss with the four terms, that is to identify, to evaluate our emotions, to identify your emotions, to control our emotions, and to express your emotions. If we are able to identify, evaluate, control and emotions, this is a emotional intelligence. Now we can easily calculate the emotional with the emotional quotient. Now in current scenario, most of the organization, when they are demanding, when they are giving, you just go through any newspaper or any advertisement, job advertisements. So in a bold word it is written that they are demanding parallel to intelligent quotient, they are also demanding a emotional intelligence, emotional quotient. Now why in a market, or why there is a need of emotional intelligence in an employee? Now it is very important that regardless of high intelligent quotient, the success, to become a success, you need, in current situation, you need a high emotional intelligence. It's very important. Now, considering a student point of view, I'm giving you the certain characteristics of emotional intelligence. One, that is a self um, self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and the social skill. Now, what is meant by self-awareness? It is a awareness about yourself. Whether you are having this can be easily, we can easily calculate, or we can easily do this with the help of SWOT analysis. Now, what is meant by SWOT analysis? Is a strength, identify your strength, identify your weaknesses, identify the opportunities surrounding by you, and what are the traits. So if you are having a practice of doing a SWOT regularly, it gives, we can make yourself aware about your strength, weaknesses, opportunity and traits. Next is self-regulation. Now what exactly mean by self-regulation? It is the ability to regulate your mood, or control your emotion, or control your swing mood, because in a current scenario, in a stressful life, it is very important to identify your mood and act according to that. To take a decision, it is very important. Being a student also, because he has to take a different challenges, he has to remain in a competition, in a competitive world during especially during before an exam. If you are not able to control, or if you are not able to regulate, there are maybe there are chances of success, less chances of success. Next is motivation. So there are two aspects of motivation. One is a self motivation, which is very important, considering the emotional intelligence. Now many people, they require a push, that is a normal motivation, whereas self motivation, as the people, their motivation come from inside. Now it is helpful for it is demanded for a student, especially a business, especially as a business school student. Why? Because self motivation helps student to take certain decision, prioritize their certain requirement in a life, and take a decision according to that. Then next comes empathy. Now empathy is the ability to understand the other's emotion and act according to that. Then social skill, it is very important for any person, or student, or a teacher also. Why it is important? Because the social skill, this is one ability to build a relationship. This because in organization or in a company, the student has, once he joined, many he may come across a certain assignment which he need to focus, he need to frame in a team. So build a team, build work in a team, he need this particular social skill. Social skill also helps to understand the people's behavior in a society. Social skill also help to communicate with the others. Then uh, there many researchers, they are doing a research on students behavior. So there are many result of many research are shown that students with the high level of emotional intelligence are able to better manage themselves and relates to other around them. This can help them develop their improved self-motivation and more effective communication skills, essential skill which help students to become more confident learners. Now, these are certain qualities of highly emotional intelligent students. They are very, very positive. Many people, they are a negative, but there are a certain student, they always try to remain positive in a negative circumstances also. They're trying to find out a certain positive thing. They know the people well, identify their feeling, they accept the challenges, they accept the changes, they set their limits, they overcome all the weaknesses and know their strength. They avoid a comparison. It is very, very important that you avoid a comparison. Now overall, finally, EI affects the qualities of life because it influences the human behavior and the relationship. Now these are the certain benefit of two students managing the emotions. Emotional intelligence helps in a better communications, build a new relationship, reduction in a stress, sympathy toward others, and also it helps in a conflict management. So that's it from my side. Thank you.